Hello, good evening, Professor. I am now completing the JavaScript assignments assigned to us for this evening. First, we will begin by creating a variable named carname, then assigning it the value of Volvo. Alrighty, on to the next one. Now we must assign x and make it equal 50. That's not too hard. I'll do 5 plus 10 and make it x plus y. 5 x equals 5. What x plus y? We're going to do create a variable called z, assign it to x plus y in the display. Alrighty. For z equals x plus y, what to alert z. Create variable name first name. Declare all three variables with the following names and values. First name, first name, I'm forgetting the comma behind y'all separates things. We're going to assign the age equals 35. Alrighty. All 5 assignments are, all 5 exercises are completed. Now, until next time, we have operators, but all 5 variables are completed.